Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating DC-406T-UP-POE, and these are 6-digit 4-inch count up timers that are linked together through a data wire from a master. This is the master, and these are the secondaries out here. They all are synchronized to the master. The customer actually ordered 10, but I'm just showing you 3 of the secondaries. And it's a reset and start. And you also are seeing that is showing the tenths and hundredths as we are progressing up in time. It will shift over, the time will shift over. Once you get above 59 minutes, it will shift over and show you hours, minutes, and seconds. But right now, it's just showing you minutes, seconds, and tenths, hundredths. These are PoE powered, so if you have PoE at your location, that's not a problem. Data linked is 2 wires, and they're all just paralleled off of the master. And you can go 1,000 feet on that. Here is the switch actuation, so that goes into the back of the master, and it's connected here on this panel. There's a terminal block back here. You just remove these 4 screws, and also here's the data out for your other secondary clocks, or timers I should say. But just to simulate, the action is just reset and start. 1 contact closure, reset and start. And that starts the timers. They're all very much synchronized in succession with each other and in unison. So these are aluminum enclosures. They're all extruded aluminum, 4-inch high displays. Like I said earlier, they're 6 digits, and they mount with these mounting tabs here on the back, and they can be moved in and out to adjust for width of your mounting, whatever screws or whatnot you're hanging them. But like I said, they're PoE, and they're all a system, so it's a timer, count up timer system. It can be viewed up to 400 feet away, and put between them 1,000 feet from the master. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital. These are DC-406T-UP-POEs, and thanks for watching.